Looks really, really clean. I like it. Let's get this oil change, guys. I mean, draining. So we could put these new diff covers on. Get in here. Figure out what we gotta do. Find our right tool. There we go. That hurt. Looks really, really clean. I like it. But I do a lot of maintenance on these, and I keep my stuff as clean. I do periodic checks on them, on everything. Get this out of the way. Spray some brake clean in there and clean it out a little bit. Just a little information on my gear setup. I am running 538 gears, and they have been wonderful. I have nothing but good things to say about them. I drove all the way to Utah with them. Yeah, you might use a little bit more gas because you're a little bit higher RPM, but depends on how bad you want to get over that rock. So, let that drain a little bit. We'll come over here to one of these covers and show you guys what I got going on. So there's the final paint. It didn't turn out as good as I like, but it's good enough. It'll work. Put you down here. So I'll try a couple things. Test fit this kit seal. Looks pretty good. Get this thing centered again. So we get a couple of these in here just to keep the gasket from moving around on us. It's the hard part. There we go. Get this up in here. The other good thing about having an all metal diff cover is if you upgrade to PSC, you have a good weld point if you want to get it welded to your diff cover. So each one of these, either MetalCloak or Motobilt diff covers, they have their own pros and cons. One of the pros to MetalCloak versus Motobilt is obviously these bolts, and the MetalCloak ones, you can't hit them because they are whatchamacallit, protected by the diff cover. They you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm trying to say. Freaking heck, can't even think. Got to. See how these are exposed? MetalCloak. It's they are. What's the word? Help me out, guys. Can't even think. They are, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. So anyway, yeah, these lube blocker are the way to go. So if you have to do a trail repair, they're reusable. And that's why I have them. Just in case. There we go. My rag. Clean this up a little bit down here. Let's get some oil and put in there. Instead of having to use a hand pumper, put this back on and see if we can. That's good to know on the trail too. Oh yeah, this is a lot easier. A little bit of shade over here. Anyway, guys, just always check your teeth. There shouldn't be no chips in them or nothing. And you don't have to change the oil this way. You can all have to take the diff cover off. There is a port right here that you can pull out and drain everything out. I just like to do it this way. That way I get eyes on my ring and pinion and just check it, because I wheel it, guys. It's not a mall crawler. I wheel it. Matter of fact, it's more on dirt than I use it around town. Since I've been back from Utah, I've probably driven this a handful of times, and I was to either club meetings or Harbor Freight. Honestly, the meeting's about 3 miles away. Harbor Freight's about 2 miles away. It's just good maintenance. Even if you go off-roading a few times a year, pulling your diff cover and changing the oil probably once a year is probably a good thing to do. It's summertime right now, so I'm putting in a little bit heavier weighted oil. Than what the normal spec is. But with the 538 gears, it does run a little bit hotter, so keep everything meshed together really well. Anyway, let me go grab that other diff cover. I don't want to mess up my new paint. Get these out on the ground. Easier to access. Are some of these longer than others? No. Okay, let's get this oil in here. She's done, guys. Kind of like it. I like them. Hopefully they're as tough as they were at off-road games. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that YouTube bull crap stuff. You know what I'm talking about. I'm under the Jeep. I'm just gonna finish cleaning up our Motobilt diff covers are on. Hopefully it's a good upgrade, and thank you guys for watching. As always, life's short, just floor it, guys. Peace.